In a world facing environmental challenges, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But amidst the struggles, there are glimmers of hope. Thanks to dedicated conservation efforts, many species once on the brink of extinction are making remarkable comebacks. In this video, we'll share inspiring stories of wildlife recovery, explore the strategies behind these successes, and show how you can help create a brighter future for animals everywhere. Let's dive in. The giant panda is one of the most iconic symbols of wildlife conservation, and for good reason. Once critically endangered due to habitat destruction and low birth rates, pandas have seen a dramatic recovery thanks to decades of effort. Key strategies: protected reserves in China, reforestation projects, and breeding programs. Results: their status improved from endangered to vulnerable in 2016, with populations now exceeding 1,800 individuals in the wild. This success proves that focused conservation works, but vigilance is still needed to ensure their survival. The bald eagle, America's national bird, was nearly wiped out in the mid-20th century due to pesticide use, like DDT, and habitat loss. However, bans on harmful chemicals and strict protection laws brought them back from the edge. Key strategies: banning DDT, legal protections under the Endangered Species Act, and public awareness campaigns. Results: today, there are over 300,000 bald eagles across North America, a true testament to what collective action can achieve. The gray wolf faced widespread extermination in the US during the early 20th century, leaving only a few hundred survivors. Through reintroduction programs, such as those in Yellowstone National Park, wolves have made an incredible comeback. Key strategies: reintroducing wolves into protected areas, educating local communities, and monitoring populations. Results: wolves now thrive in several states, helping restore balance to ecosystems by controlling prey populations. Their return has even boosted tourism and ecological health. Behind every success story are innovative strategies and passionate people. Here's what's working: habitat restoration, reforesting degraded lands, and creating wildlife corridors. Anti-poaching initiatives, strengthening patrols and cracking down on illegal wildlife trade. Breeding programs, captive breeding and release efforts for critically endangered species. Community engagement, empowering local populations to coexist with wildlife sustainably. These efforts remind us that collaboration between governments, NGOs, and individuals drives real change. Technology is transforming wildlife conservation. Drones monitor remote areas and detect poachers. AI and camera traps identify species and track movements without human interference. Satellite tracking maps migration patterns and monitors habitat changes in real time. These tools allow us to act faster and smarter than ever before, giving wildlife a fighting chance. You don't need to be a scientist or activist to help wildlife. Here's how you can make a difference: reduce plastic use, prevent pollution that harms marine life. Support ethical organizations, donate to groups working on the front lines of conservation. Spread awareness, educate others about the importance of protecting wildlife. Advocate for change, push for policies that prioritize environmental protection. Every small step contributes to a larger movement for wildlife. Wildlife conservation isn't just about saving animals, it's about preserving the intricate web of life that sustains us all. By supporting these efforts, we give nature a chance to heal and thrive. Together, let's continue to inspire hope for wildlife. If you found this video inspiring, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Every voice matters in the fight to protect our planet's precious wildlife.